Let's continue with what next we have in Boolean operation using CATIA V5. So we have seen the part design features. We had some features: pad, pocket, shaft, groove. We need the knowledge of those features. It is very important to create the bodies. Then we have seen how we can create those multiple bodies, how we can make different bodies, and we can make our particular part simple for applying the Boolean operation. Next comes copy paste and copy paste special of bodies. Whenever we have to use the Boolean operation, a particular body can be needed multiple times. So we prefer to keep that body as copied. So for that we have two options in the software CATIA V5: copy paste and copy paste special. So we will have a look at those two. Basically, copy paste and copy paste special, these operations are for the bodies. Whenever we create a body, in that particular body there will be features of that, there will be all the specifications of that particular body. So whenever we want the body to be modified for the further updation, what we will need to do, we will need to search out for the body first, and then we can make the modification by changing the sketch or its feature. For that, it will be difficult for us to find out the body if we are working with the multiple. Say I'm working with the 20, 50, 30, or 100 bodies, it will be very much difficult for me to find out the specific body in which I want to make the changes. So what we do, we prefer to create bodies as master body, or I will say featured body, the body in which features are available. Whatever the bodies we have created having the features, so I will name them as featured body. And then using these options, copy paste and copy paste special, what I will do, I will create a replica of that. For a particular body I can create multiple replicas or multiple copies, and I will apply Boolean operation on those copied bodies. So the master body or the featured body will be as it is, and this copied body, it will be linked to the parent one, to the master one, and I will apply Boolean operation in the copied one. As I will apply the operation in copied one, I'll get the required result. But whenever a change is required, a modification is required, I can go to any specific master or featured body, make the required changes, as the master body has dependencies with the copied one. If I'll update master one, the copied one will be updated. The shape or the Boolean operation will automatically be updated. Let's have a look at this in the software. So here we are in the software. Here we have created 5 bodies for applying the Boolean operations between these bodies. And first we will check copy paste and copy paste special of these bodies. So just for the understanding, I'll keep one body as shown, other bodies I will hide for now, so that we can understand the Boolean operation copy paste special in a better way. So this is what we have. Body E is available and it is visible to us. What I will do, I will right click on that body. I will go for copy. You can use Control C, and I will paste the same body. Right click, paste. As I will paste this body, what will happen? You can see over here in the feature tree, we have body E, shaft, and its sketch. Similarly, body E, shaft and its sketch. So copy paste has given me the same result. Complete feature is there, complete sketch is also there, and you can separately modify these two. There will be no dependency between these two. Body E was there, the copy of body E has been available. You can make the changes, required changes you can make in this. Let's say I'll for understanding I'll give it name as copy E. So this will be copy of E. If you want, you can change the sketch 6. You can make the required modifications, say update. That will be updated automatically. For the understanding, I'll apply some transformation feature on body E. So body E is already activated. I'll just go for transformation, that is translate along say y-axis, and I'll translate this body E or copy E so that I am able to visualize it clearly. Say this much. Yes, so you can see over here, this is your body E, this one, and this is your copy E, this one. I had made the changes in the child, it is updated. If you will make any changes in the parent, it will not affect child. See, let's say. Hmm. So all the features available in a particular body will be copied as it is without any dependency. You can make it by copy paste option. Then let's have a look at copy paste special. So I'll delete the body. Body E, I will copy. In the boolean, in the part, I will paste it. And this time I will use the option copy paste special. Paste special I will go for. This dialog box will appear, and in this dialog box you can see I have three options for pasting. First one, as is specified in part document. I'll select this, I'll say OK. As soon as I'll select and I'll say OK, there will be another body in the same manner. Shaft is there, its sketch is there. I'll change the name to copy E just for the understanding, and I will apply transformation as well along y direction like this. So this is the parent, this is the child. You can make the modification in the parent as per your own requirement, which will not affect the child. Similarly, you can make the modification in the child as per your own requirement. It will not affect the parent. So the result that I was getting using copy paste, the same result I am getting with copy paste special as specified in the part document option. Now let's have a look at the second option we have, then the third option we have. So I will delete this. I will again copy paste special, and I will go for the option as result with link. Say OK. I will change the name, say copy E, and OK. You can see now I don't have any feature available in the copy E. Whatever I have copied using copy paste special as result with link, I don't have the features available. Previous two option I was getting the features and the same feature tree I was getting for the body, but this time there is a solid available. I will translate this solid first, say like this. I have the solid available, and there is a sign of link. This blue color sign on the solid is showing that this particular solid is linked with its parent. So let's check the dependency. I will modify the parent because I don't have any option, I don't have any parameter for changing into the child. This is non-parametric solid we have. I'll modify the parent, say 60, and I will update it. You can see as the parent has changed, the child is automatically updated. What it is doing, if I'll make any changes in the body E, the copy E will automatically be updated. It will maintain the link, it will maintain the dependency. Then the last option we have, I will copy this, I will go for paste spatial as result and OK. Again a non-parametric solid I have. I will apply translation. Yes, a non-parametric solid I have, but the sign is a bit different. Let's modify the parent. Again, you cannot modify the child. So we will modify the parent and I'll make it 80 exit. The parent has been updated, but the child is not. So the sign is for independent solid. There is no dependency. If you will make any modification in the parent, the child will not update. But the difference from previous option is over here we have a known parametric solid available. So four cases we had seen: copy paste special. In that three types were there. First one as specified in part document, second one as result with link, and the third one as result. Copy paste and copy paste special first type as specified in part document were giving me the same result, the same feature tree as the parent has. But other two options of copy paste specials were giving me different result. They were giving me the dead solid, the non parametric solid. In case of as result with link, you will get dependent solid. In case of as result, you will get independent solid. For now, I think we have one suitable case is available, and that is to maintain the dependency. When we want to maintain the dependency, definitely we will need to copy each and every body, paste special, and follow this type as result with link. So what I will do, body A, body B, body C, body D, and body E, I will make copies of these with link. I'll say okay. Available, copy, paste special as result with link, copy, paste special as result with link, copy, paste special as result with link, and finally copy, paste special as result with link. I have made the copies just for clarification. The master body, the features body I will select and I will hide them. And for these bodies, I will change the names as per my requirement. So let's say I will give them A. These are the copies, the non-parametric one. So I will keep it in that manner. Body A, body B, body C, body D, body E has the features, and A, B, C, D, E don't have the feature. They are dependent on the parents. They are dependent on A, B, this body. You can see these are the dead solids we have. Now after this we will continue and we will apply the Boolean operations on these bodies.